My name is Dr. Beth Bowman and I'm a human and horse chiropractor. This is Maeve. She's going to be helping us out with this little demo today. This is the EQUISTIX. It's a great tool to help massage out your horse's muscular issues. These are a lot of the areas that you can work on as a basic routine to go through your horse. It's a really good way to scan through your horse and find out if they have any issues. Right up here is the cervical area. A lot of horses who tend to tuck really like this, they tend to tuck a lot. They tend to overuse this area up here in the top part of their cervicals. Through this area is actually where their skeleton is. So you can actually go over these little bumps you might feel through their neck. You don't want to press too hard through here, but they can be kind of sore in that area. This right here is called the brachiocephalic muscle. And this area can get pretty seriously sore in some horses, so you want to make sure that you're starting out nice and gentle through that region. Horses that have problems with their feet or their knees, they tend to brace up in their shoulders, and so they tend to get pretty sore right through this area, right through here, in the splenius muscles. The supraspinatus and the infraspinatus run through the front part of the shoulder, and they can also get a little bit tender. This is where the triceps muscle is, and horses can get a little sore in that region as well. If you've ever had pain right between your shoulder blades, horses actually can get pain in their rhomboid muscles as well. So right between the shoulder blade and the top of the spine through here, you can actually do some massage right through this region, and that will really help that little muscle right in through there. A lot of horses that have saddle fit issues tend to have issues right at the back part of their shoulder blades through here. So this is another good position that will really help when you massage out this area. It can definitely help to relieve some saddle fit issues. Horses get a lot of low back pain, the same as people do. So we can actually massage out the low back muscles to either side of the spine. The glute muscles tend to get pretty tender, and horses that get SI joint issues tend to get issues into their glute muscles as well. So you can usually find an area right through here, which you can sometimes even find the little muscle spasms in there, and you can massage those out. The IT band, or TFL, is an area which also tends to get pretty tight in horses, so that's another really good area that you can massage out those areas in through here. The glute muscles, as they sort of dive down and as the hamstrings sort of lay over the top of the glute muscles, they tend to get a lot of fibrous adhesions right in this area. So that's another area that horses really tend to get some fibrous issues in through there. You can also massage down through the lateral hamstrings through here. And that's another area which tends to get pretty sore and tight into that region. And you can also come through and massage out the hamstring muscles, which run all the way down the back of the spine through here. If you have any doubt, it's a really good idea to make sure you get either a veterinarian or a chiropractor or a massage therapist out, and they can give you a really good idea of which areas your horse might need. But this is a good routine that you can use with your horse in general to just see if any areas are really sensitive or if any areas are bigger than they should be. The EQUISTIX can definitely